OpenAI has just launched their latest system GPT-4 and it's equipped with some mind-blowing features that you won't be able to imagine. It's super amazing and super powerful. As you may already know, GPT-4 is OpenAI's most advanced system yet. What's really exciting is that it's capable of producing safer and more useful responses than ever before. This means that you can rely on GPT-4 to provide accurate solutions to most of your difficult problems. One of the most impressive features of GPT-4 is its broader general knowledge and problem-solving abilities. With its system, you can trust that it will solve difficult problems with greater accuracy. Now you can write amazing code, clean code, logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, and GPT-4 can solve each and every problem. GPT-4 is more creative and collaborative than ever before. It can generate, edit, and iterate with users on creative and technical writing tasks. Imagine composing songs, writing screenplays, or learning a user's writing style with ease. Having a writing partner that's always available to help you reach your goals. Another impressive feature of GPT-4 is its ability to accept images as input, generate captions, classifications, and analysis. This means that you can use GPT-4 for image recognition, classification, and analysis with ease. With GPT-4, you can handle over 25,000 words of text, allowing for use cases like long-form content creation. Yes, you have heard that right. You can now create long-form blog posts, articles, and so much more. It's a powerful tool for anyone who needs to handle large volume of text. What's really interesting is that GPT-4 surpasses ChatGPT in its advanced reasoning capabilities. GPT-4 outperforms ChatGPT by scoring higher approximate percentile in test takers. Yes, you have heard that right. But that's not all. GPT-4 is safer and more aligned. It's 82% less likely to respond to requests for disallowed contents and 40% more likely to produce factual responses. OpenAI incorporated more human feedback, including feedback submitted by ChatGPT users, which they have recently launched for free preview. ChatGPT is still in free research preview. That means GPT is still learning from user inputs and it will grow and provide more accurate inputs in the future. They also worked with over 50 experts for early feedback in domains including AI safety and security. Continuous improvement from real-world use is another aspect what makes GPT-4 special. They have applied lessons from real-world use of their previous models into GPT's safety research and monitoring system. Finally, we can see that GPT-4 has already been utilized in a number of ways. OpenAI has collaborated with organizations building innovative products with GPT-4 such as Duolingo, Be My Eyes, Stripe, Morgan Stanley, Khan Academy, and the government of Iceland. The popular Descript Dropbox intercom is already using GPT-4. A new update will be soon launching in Descript, which will be powered by the powerful GPT-4. GPT-4 is already open to public. You can access GPT-4 with ChatGPT Plus and it's also available in API. You will have to join the waitlist for the API. So this is one of the example of GPT-4. As you can see, a picture of a refrigerator with food items, and GPT-4 has analyzed the image and provided the meal ideas from this picture. So you can see GPT-4 has analyzed the image and it has made amazing recipes from the given vegetables in the image. This was the example which we were talking about earlier. ChatGPT has passed the toughest tests in the world with accurate results. If you are excited about GPT-4 and want to try it out yourself, it's available on ChatGPT Plus. You can also join the API waitlist. So this was the video, guys. GPT-4 is here and we can't wait to see how powerful GPT-4 is and the future of AI. We will update all the new GPT-4 features in the future videos. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to SaaS Junction. We make amazing SaaS videos. Thank you guys for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.